Hey guys, so I didn't do a Škoda video in a while. I'm going to replace the Xenon bulb. So my brother drives this car now. One of these has burned out. I have an option with the same Philips. It's inside for factory, but with the White Vision Gen 2. So this should give you up to 5,000 to 6,000 cold light. So it should be like on my Tesla, cold light, not yellowish. This one from the factory looks white when you see it from the outside, but the beam is warm, cold beam. You can see better, further. So we're gonna upgrade these. These lasted for 12 years now, so it's time to replace them. These are around 115 euros that I paid for, so each. So I'm gonna do replacement. It should be easy. Okay guys, so that's the Xenon bulb. You have to open this cover. So I think you open it counterclockwise. So it's just a cover, you can see that. You open that, and this is the piece we want to take out. Okay, also you need to like turn it counterclockwise and then it gets out. So you want to take it out without touching the, this one's, one of these works, I'm not sure which one. And then you want to unplug this by wiggling it out, this cable. Now you can see this was very easy, just wiggle it out, comes out. So the new one, you want to touch it for the metal, so not touching this, and just plug in the cable, put it in, turn it clockwise, and return the cap. So you want to open the bulb upside down so you can grab the metal piece. And let me just do a comparison. You can see these are both Philips. So you can see new in my hand versus the old. So putting it back in reverse order, the cable was facing down. So repeat the same process, remove the cap. I'm gonna take this one out. Again, cable is facing down, and put the new one. Don't forget to return the cover, and you can test your lights. And all done. You can see this is much colder. So guys, this is at night. Well guys, this is the headlight. This is the beam when you're outside the city. It's a bit colder. It's not super cold. I saw Philips, there's another variant which is much colder and more blue light. I didn't want to go that direction, not to blind other drivers, although these bikes have adjustment. Let me just pass this people, so I'm just going to show you like a full beam here in dark. So this is the full beam, and now you can see the fog lights are much warmer, so that's the difference there. So just back up. It's less noticeable when I'm on the street lights because they're yellow here. Yeah, I'm now noticing this yellow part, not really sure, but I think I've installed everything correctly. But the plastic I showed you from the outside has gone yellow a little bit, so beam maybe would have been more cold, but I think it's an upgrade compared to the OEM